What's up guys, ITX Coding in the house, and before the video starts, I actually want to thank you guys for being able to help me achieve reaching 70 subscribers. And I really want to thank you guys for that, because it is something I've actually set my eyes on goals that I actually wanted to achieve when in the few years I actually started YouTube. And guys, for us to reach 70 subscribers, I created my channel last year in August. So we literally reached 70 subscribers. Let's do the math. August, um, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So we reached 70 subscribers in just 10 months, guys. That is really mind blowing, guys. For some people, that is not something that is easy for them to do, but guys, you guys made it possible for me, and I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So guys, okay, so now let's actually get into this video. So thank you guys for being able to help me achieve reaching 70 subscribers. And if you can get 60 likes, because we are 70 on this video, I know that you guys really like what I'm doing and what I do, and actually my teaching method of Scratch. And it will also let me know, or more actually, it will also let me know that you want me to do what they call more advanced methods of programming, because it's not only Scratch I do Scratch for the younger generations and people, even adults that are interested in learning programming. There's a new style I've learned. It's called what they call it again? I think it's Code Warriors. It's like a game where you actually have to use code to like move around your characters. And guys, if you guys want to share, the next time I'm on the net, which I'm always on the net, so there's no need to say that. So the next time, that'll be after I finish this series. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5 more categories to explain after the pen. So as soon as that's done, guys, I will actually show you guys that side. So guys, let's get started in today's video. So we have Stamp, and we have Clear, we have Pen Down, we have Pen Up, we have changed pen color by 10, we have set pen color by 0, we have changed pen set. Guys, you can already see that. So I didn't really need to really explain that anymore. So guys, I've really discovered something about Scratch. I don't really need to explain this one. Some of you guys might be, then why did I click on this video if you don't explain everything? Guys, just watch the end of the video and you will actually see. So guys, first we have the stamp. Basically, like your normal stamp, you stamp. Some people actually mistake stamp with duplicate. Duplicate only makes a duplicate that you can move around. You can see both sprites are movable after I use the duplicate. Well, Stamp only creates a printed copy of the sprite. And guess what guys, this is not movable. So if I actually had shown you guys like this, and actually to show me, and I created another one on the other side, and actually guys to show me which one is the fake one, you guys wouldn't be able to tell, because they look exactly identical. I actually like to call them the identical twins of programming, because yeah, this is something that you cannot differentiate, guys. You can't move that one, but you can move this one. So guys, if you do Clear, you can actually, guys, speaking of that, you can even turn it into a game, guys. If you want to see me make a game out of only the Stamp and Clear box and the data blocks, the motion and everything else, guys, I will do that. All you have to do is leave a like, comment game, and at the end of the day I'll also give you guys something else to comment on. Just watch the end video like I said. So if you actually want to clear the duplicated one, you can just click clear, and the one that you duplicated will go, and the one that's movable will be left behind. Excuse me, sorry. Now we have the pen down and the pen up, guys. Okay, here's a quick question. Do you write with your pen down or your pen up? We all know that it's impossible to write with your pen down. With your pen up. Because you can't write in the mid-air. You have to put your pen on a surface that can be written on. It's the same thing with programming. You have to put your digital pen down to create a line, guys. If you actually want to see me actually particularize what I'm explaining, all you guys have to do is leave a like. Just leave a like. Then whatever I ask you guys, what I want me to see you doing, when you want to do, just leave a like. That's all. So pen down, you have to put your pen down to your digital pen to create a line or a digital line on your coding surface, as I like to call it in most cases. So you have your pen up, which basically carries your pen from the from bringing it down to stop the line or to stop drawing what you want to do. Guys, you can literally make a house with all your pen blocks, guys. I've actually done it before, and it's so extremely easy. Just if that's what you want to see, you know what to do, just leave a like. So we have the change pen. Okay, we've explained all those ones, right? Now I'll tell you why I don't need to waste my time explaining all this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 no 1 2 3 4 5 6 right here, because basically change pen color and set pen color basically do exactly the same thing. Everything here basically they do exactly the same thing. You want to know the difference, guys? The only difference is the change and set. When you change something, let's say at the beginning of your program you have a sprite, and yes, a sprite, and it's moving, and you want to make a rainbow pattern across where it's going. You can do change pen color. You can say when flag clicked, move 10 steps, change pen color by 1, move another 10 steps. You must make sure you put your forever loop. Move another 10 steps, change your color by 2. You change your color until you get that rainbow effect. I'm not really sure the color of the color pattern in Scratch, but I'll look that up. Then you could do that. But set pen color, what that basically does, from the beginning of your command, you can tell your program to set the pen color to that particular color you want, and you can only change it with, guess what, guys, the change pen color. That's the only difference, and this applies to other um every other change and set in the whole Scratch, in all the whole Scratch categories. That's what they all do. There's basically no difference, but I'll still explain them. Change pen color, I just said it. You can change the color from different colors, whether it's blue, black, or any color. Or you can make it, I wouldn't say lighter because that's what shade does. And the pen shade will actually change how deep a color it is, how dark or how light it is. Then you have, basically I've just explained it. Then the pen size will either make it larger, or let's say thicker or thinner. Then you have the set pen color. These three actually work to each other, because if you actually want to change your color in Scratch, I've noticed this, you just click on this pad here, then you move around the whole Scratch interface, then you can change your color. So guys, that's what basically does. So the change actually changes it from one color to the other by just saying change this, wait 1 second, or move, then change, wait another second, move, then change. That's what basically that does. Then the sets it from the beginning of your program to the end, or if you actually put a change pen or change anything in any of the categories. So guys, before I cut the video short, I just want to say thank you again for reaching 70 subscribers, and I haven't done a video with my face cam in a long time, guys. If you actually want me to bring back the face cam, just put face cam in the comment section below. That's all I actually want. If you want to see my face cam back in my videos, just put face cam in the comment section below. So guys, thank you so much for watching that video, and I hope it helped you guys do whatever you want to do with Scratch. So stay safe, stay awesome, and stay at your very best in programming. Thank you.